Hey guys, it's Mimi here and welcome to Geeklightful. I had the most wonderful weekend at Montreal's Comiccon a few days ago, and this year I decided to film little bits of it so I could show it to you guys in this vlog. And again this year I was with my sister who makes string art and all sorts of cute upcycled items with her family, and she's so nice and we get along so well. So for those of you that don't know, I actually make polymer clay jewelry, like I'm wearing right now, my tiny ice cream cone earrings and a cookie necklace. So I'm gonna let you watch the tiny bits that I filmed this weekend, and at the end of this video I'm gonna show you what I bought at the Comic-Con this year. So have fun, and here we go! It's R2-D2! Oh, hi! Oh, I love it so much! Okay guys, you have to see these gorgeous girls that are so sweet. They're so beautiful and they make their own costumes. They even have some little cookies in their box. It's so sweet of them. Go check them out at Cosplayers in Action. Here you go. Look at these cookies. They look so delicious and they're so sweet for giving them to us. I can't wait to eat them. Okay, these cookies are some of the best cookies I've ever eaten, for real. Like, they're so yummy and fresh and so good. It's so nice of them. I can't believe how sweet this is. Okay guys, I wanted to show you this artist is so awesome. I love how she draws. It's so beautiful and so quirky and funny at the same time. Look at these Harry Potter ones. I love this Hermione one, and my other favorite is this raccoons one. Oh my gosh, so cute. So you can go check out the artist. Here are her links. Good morning, it's Saturday morning and I'm so tired today, but it's okay because I'm so excited to be here. I just love being here. Yesterday was such a great day. I'm sorry I didn't finish the vlog at all. I didn't even start it, I think. Yesterday I got a very special gift from some very special people that are so nice, and look at this squishy, guys. It's so gorgeous. It's actually a unicorn. Right? Because it's like a unicorn ice cream cone. How gorgeous is this? I've only smelled it from the outside of the bag because I haven't opened it yet because I want to open it later on, but like it already smells so good. So you can go check out their page. It's called SquishySquishies and they're super nice, so you have to go check them out. Yay! Here's my sister. So happy to be here with her. She's so talented. You can see her art behind me actually, because like my things are on the table in front of me and I'm kind of hiding behind my things because I'm kind of shy to vlog right now. So I'm gonna try to film a little bit of today and show you around, show you some of my favorite booths, not boots, you know, booths. Oh wow. Have I said I'm tired? Yeah, I am. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. I found an amazing booth. I'm just freaking out at how adorable these are. Oh my gosh. This is definitely one of my favorite booths. Look at this Oreo guy. It's so perfect. So here are her info. You gotta go check her out because she is so talented. Guys, there's an actual Wally here. He's so cute. It's Sunday morning and I just can't seem to finish my vlogs this weekend, but it's okay. This is gonna be one big vlog anyway. But today is the last day and I have to say I'm so sad because I love this so much. I mean, I knew like last year was amazing and I knew like the people were so nice and so sweet, but it's still as amazing this year, if it's not even better. I mean, I just love it, and thanks to everybody that came by and said hi. It's so much fun meeting everybody and seeing all the costumes and seeing all the artists also. I discovered some new artists this year that were amazing. I'm gonna try to show you what I bought later on in this vlog. I decided to be a unicorn today because I've been seeing everybody's costumes and I just wanted to be a little bit part of it because I love dressing up, but I didn't have the time to make a cosplay, so I just thought I would try to be a little bit magical today. This is such a great weekend. I really want to do it again next year because I can't believe it's almost already over, but it's okay. I'm gonna make the best out of this day and really enjoy every moment of it. So I'll see you guys later. Bye! Hey guys, this is one of my favorite hockey players and he's right there and I'm gonna get a picture with him. I'm so excited! Yay! Our friends are back and they're as gorgeous as ever. So pretty. They're even handing out some lucky stars they made. Oh, thank you. Hello. So this is Allieeps and she's super sweet and look at her art, guys. I can't say enough how much I love these. So look at all these. And this tangled one, oh my goodness. She also has all of these amazing pins that are, I just love their expressions so much. Hi again. I had to interrupt the vlog right now to warn you that there will be some spider and snake footage in the next minute because I had to do this one thing to finally overcome my phobia of snakes. So I got to do it in this video, but I don't want anybody else that has phobias to have to deal with it right now in this video. So if you're not comfortable with snakes or spiders, you can skip about a minute from now. Okay.
Merde, t'as quelque chose sur ta tête.
Oh my goodness, guys!
Hold on, then you grab
Are you kidding me? Oh, you're putting the other one. Oh
Stand right here. I'll stand right here. Stand right here. Yeah, close to the side. Are you wearing mouse perfume? Mouse perfume.
Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around. The type of ups that I have to be me, and everyone can see.
Hey guys, we are out. We are heading home. It's over and I'm sad, but it's okay because it was such a nice weekend. We're going to go eat dinner at my parents' place. My mom's so nice. She made us supper. All her lunches were so delicious all weekend. So thanks, Mom, so much for all of this. So I'll see you guys later or in the next vlog. So bye. So now I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that I got at the Comic-Con this year. And the first of these is this adorable unicorn cone squishy that you saw earlier in this vlog. And I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to do it on camera. Let's see how it is. Ooh, it smells so sugary, guys. It kind of smells like the strawberry shortcake that I have. So let's see. It's so soft. Look at the colors of the mane. It's so gorgeous and so cute with its tiny eyelashes. I feel like it's too pretty to squish, but we're gonna do it anyway. So fun. Oh my gosh, it's so much fun. Ooh, it's so cool how it kind of just like gets back up like that. I love it. It's really soft and oh my goodness, they're always so relaxing. So thanks again to my friends at SquishySquishies. Next, I bought some super cute magnets from Allieeps. You saw her earlier in this vlog. So first is this adorable Totoro one, and he actually has one of those super old TVs in his mouth. And the tiny Totoros are kind of trying to adjust his ears that act as antennas so the image won't be blurry anymore. It's so cute, and I love the little suits here that are eating some popcorn. I love this so much. And next, I got this Sailor Moon magnet. I just love how she's always eating in the anime, and I thought this represented her so well. And the last magnet is this Rapunzel one that I've been looking at for a few years now. I just love the realism of how her hair got super dirty, and there's even a tiny squirrel in her hair, and that's so hilarious. Next, my husband bought this super adorable Charmander print that we bought from such a sweet artist. He was so nice. I'm going to try to put his links in the description box. So we just loved how cozy Charmander looks in here. last but not least, I bought 3 amazing prints from the artist that I showed you before that had the Oreo guy. She was so sweet and her art is adorable and funny. So first we got these sashimi running buddies. Look at their expressions. They're super expressive, and this one is actually super intense and he's putting on some soy sauce to refresh himself. I just thought it was adorable. It's also an amazing reference to the conveyor belt sushi. And the second print is this tempura that is dipping itself in tempura sauce and going, yeah baby, and I just love how hilarious and cute this is. I thought these would look so great in the kitchen. And the last print is these hamsters that are actually hand cakes. Look at the details of how this tiny square of butter is actually attached under the head of the hamster. I mean, it is so cute. If you guys know me, you know how much hamsters make me feel emotions. It's so, like, I had to get this one. We also got some adorable stickers from there, and she had some sushis from all over the world. So this one was the Canadian type of sushi because it's a poutine. I also got the Italian sushi, and of course another hamster sticker. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and a huge thanks to my dad for all of his help, and my mom that made us delicious lunches for the whole weekend, and to my sister, and most importantly to my amazing husband that is so supportive. Like, I couldn't start telling you guys how much he helps me and how supportive he is, and I know this is getting cheesy, but I just love him so much and I'm so thankful to be his wife. Anyway, so have a wonderful day and God bless you. Bye!